Hey everybody, good morning. Today's video is going to be super quick. I'm just going to review the process of adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. I noticed that on your answer document, it doesn't ask you to put it in simplest form. It just gives you these two text boxes, so I guess you would put 13/8 there and not put it into simplest form, which makes it a little easier. Okay, now let's do a subtraction problem. We're going to subtract 4/5 minus 3/10. And immediately I can see that these two fractions have different denominators. So I'm going to leave 3/5 alone and just drop it down. 4/5 is going to convert to 8/10. And the reason I know that is because when I skip count by both 5 and 10, when I list the multiples of 5, 10 is the second multiple I'm going to list. So 10 appears on both lists, so 10 will be my least common multiple. Okay, now let's see, 8/10 minus 3/10. I see I wrote that wrong. Typo, get rid of that. Okay, that gives me 5/10. Now this I do need to put in simplest form. 5/10 is the same as 1/2, so that's how I'm going to record this answer. Okay, and that's it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to come to study hall or send me an email. This week, remember, we're using our small group time to work on iReady.